Yeah, those look very nice. Mine definitely looks like dough, I will say that.
They're rising nicely. I thought bagels was supposed to be boiled.
I thought you boil bagels.
Maybe proper.
Yeah, not tasty bagels though. This is a tasty recipe.
They're done. Flip
It's
the
also
bacon
a
in
quick
10
recipe,
minutes.
the idea.
This is a like cheating tasty recipe.
That's right. Because you know us, we love to cheat.
Ding dong, timer done, ding dong.
Timer done? Okay, dink donk. Okay, I'm taking them out.
Tasty is God apparently, and the
Taking
experts
them
are
out.
douchebags.
Taking them out.
I'm taking them. Okay.
Dink.
Okay, so they're for sure not done,
Yeah.
but
Should we leave them for a bit?
Peapod glove.
Or like take them out?
I don't know, to be
Another
honest.
timer. Hello.
Like they're who was that? Yo, proper. I mean,
Thank you, Cole.
I feel like, oh dude, there's some scrambled egg on that one. Maybe we should put them in there for like 2 more minutes.
That's fine with me.
Let's get a 2-minute timer, Cole.
2-minute timer.
What does the recipe say?
Colioli on the clock.
The recipe, we're not really following a recipe at this part.
Jam.
That's right.
Because like,
Bagels are pallid like the
That's
face
right, we're
of
all
a man
on
near
our
death
own.
from blood loss. Testing 1,
Pallid?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Pallid like the face of a man.
oh dude, I forgot to make, we gotta make that marinara, dude.
Yeah.
What if y'all's ovens got like different vibes though? Fuck it, dude. Honestly.
You have.
All right.
Those look
I'm gonna
sickly.
try a marinara.
Gotcha.
putting it
2
back in.
minutes
I got some
starting from when
carbs
camel
here.
inserts. The
You have
tasty
the
recipe
tasty style ones,
DRDNT work, and you have to improvise.
The tasty recipe didn't work?
1, 2,
No.
1, 3, 1.
Sorry, I mean like
OMG IDNT, see that happening.
I don't.
It's cause the tasty recipe is just for the bagels, but we're doing pizza bagels. So they don't have to do like the whole step of adding the fucking toppings and shit and cooking them again.
Right, because they're not going to exist as just bagels. However,
Yeah.
I went ahead and put all the bagel seasoning on anyway because YOLO.
Cause fuck it, dude. True.
Let's go bowling.
Fuck it, dude. Yo, this bacon's looking nice.
Wait, if you bake it twice, you can take it out early.
I think you got a home run here with
the fucking
bacon.
bagels that
I
they set out
I
to
didn't
do.
go to any such.
Yeah, that's
5
what we're
minutes
doing,
to
like
flip
fun.
the bacon.
Whatever, dude.
Yo, that's some good bacon, dude.
It's just bagels at this point, and it's blonde AF. That crunch. Whatever.
You say it's blonde?
I don't have to eat it.
Blonde or bland?
My brain
My-
is
my-
on its last cell.
My brain is. Well,
Okay, so let's get this fucking marinara going.
first, it's two tablespoons olive oil. Heat it on medium for a minute, and then after 1 minute, add the 2 cloves of garlic minced. So I'm mincing garlic right now.
Alright, I gotta get this fucking, I don't know what was in this pan actually. Buffalo juice?
Buffalo juice won't you come out tonight.
I can't say
Blonde
no.
AF.
Ding dong, timer done, ding
Oh,
dong.
shit, the timer. Has it already...
Oh.
It's
It's been 2 minutes already?
11:53 a.m. No sleep.
Yeah, let's take. Let him.
Proper.
SNICKER is banned.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Banned.
Alright, let me warm this. What the hell is that? Dude, what is all over my stove?
Ha ha.
All right, I'm taking them out.
All right, taking them out. Folks, let's take them out.
Dude, I still like smell the Greek yogurt.
Oh,
They smell like Greek yogurt.
What temperature
yeah, I think they're going to come out and sit.
baking at?
We're baking at
Didn't do
400.
much, lol.
Yes.
It did a little bit. It didn't really put any color on them, but
Why is that word not
I think they're a bit,
allowed
like,
due
more
to
firm.
moderation settings?
Oh, these eggs are way overdone.
for reasons, fire.
Never mind, y'all.
Balls disappeared.
Wow, that's toasty pan. Hold on. I'll show
Okay, I gotta.
Yeah,
Well, I get a better oven mitt.
they need a tanning bed.
A tanning bed, true.
You can say it.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
Yo, who was that?